Hi, I am Vivek. Welcome to Scientific. 5 incredible did you know facts that will astonish you. Number 1. Scientists have found that when cows digest a certain species of red algae seaweed, called Asparagopsis taxiformis, it creates a compound that could limit the production of methane, a powerful greenhouse gas that is 30 times more potent than carbon dioxide. When it comes to cattle-related emissions, burping cows pack the most punch, accounting for roughly 95% of the methane released into the environment. Number 2. In the Australian rainforest, flashy spiders mimic flowers to attract hungry insects into their 6-foot-wide webs. The striped backs of the spider Gastrocantha fornicata, or northern jeweled orb web spider, act as deceptive traps for flies and bees, a new study finds. Number 3. For the first time, an intact world may have been discovered around a white dwarf, suggesting that even after typical stars die, they may still host planets, a new study finds. White dwarfs are the cooling Earth-sized cores of dead stars left behind after average-sized stars have exhausted their fuel and shed their outer layers. Our Sun will eventually fade into a white dwarf after first bloating to become a red giant. The same fate awaits more than 90% of the stars in our galaxy. Previous research has found the remains of worlds that disintegrated when the progenitor stars of white dwarfs engulfed nearby planets during their red giant phase. This raised the question of whether any worlds might avoid this destruction and end up orbiting the resulting white dwarfs. In the new study, astronomers investigated a white dwarf in the constellation Draco about 81.5 light-years from Earth. Using NASA's Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite, TESS, and other telescopes, they discovered the dead star was orbited by a roughly planet-sized body dubbed WD-1586b, which has a mass at most 14 times that of Jupiter and a diameter about 10 times that of the white dwarf. Number 4. Florida scientists have found toxic human-made pollutants in the blubber of stranded whales and dolphins, adding to a library of data that measures how human activity contaminates ocean wildlife. The researchers did not link the pollutants to the strandings, they weren't looking for that, but documented the toxic chemicals in higher amounts and in more species than had been found before. The scientists can use the data to find where humans are dumping toxins into the water supply to see if the effects can be mitigated. About 500 dolphins and whales beach themselves around the world each year. No one knows why, although theories abound. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment.